We're installing LED lights on your mom.
Nice. It happens.
Because all lives matter. It's good to be lit up in the dark, especially when you're riding.
Your mother.
What a riot.
Oh. I forgot. It just happens. It's instant.
Yep.
Better do one.
Better.
Oh, yeah. Ask me next.
Your mom. So, I truly think that it was meant to be.
I truly think.
I truly think too.
Do you want colored LEDs? Since you burned that one out?
Yep. No.
I got pink ones.
I already offered him pinky dinks. You don't like the pinks? I love pink.
I love my pink.
There it is.
Well, she went through. Well, it went in.
Hey, okay.
There it is. Oh, fuck. So this is how you install LED headlights
On a Power Wheels.
on a Power Wheels.
What
Alright.
kind of power?
Don't
Wheels?
hook it to a 36-volt battery.
No, because that definitely makes it work real good
No.
for about 3 seconds. Hey, you can't say it didn't work good until it burnt the bulb.
For 5 seconds.
Yeah, 5 seconds worth of fun. Oh. Are you putting Tobe in my Bazingle?
You're kidding me.
What? That's gross. You look like you're really good at that, Duso.
How'd you know?
I've been told.
Was that live?
Oh, it definitely was. You want to see?
No.
Oh. We can put it back in slow-mo.
Oh.
They'd be like, wow, that was tight.
Hey.
Well, we'll let at it.
Yeah.
Just want to get it done quick. Fuck.
That's what she said, too. It
Not
happens,
exactly. I wanted to do it quick.
though.
Not because that's what she said.
No. Yeah.
Take it like a bitch.
So this is what we're doing anyways. Power wheel headlights. There's already one in there. LED. Yep.
Love to give you a show there, but we're burnt just like that bulb.
That
So.
happens. It's up in there. It's up in there.
Up in there.
Up in there.
Some Power Wheels.
This is in case we have to go to the bathroom while we're working. Or are you scared of shit of yourself?
That was pretty funny. Do it again.
Oh.
Oop, there she is.
Yeah, got it backwards here.
That's what she said. All you gotta do is flip it around. It, her, same thing.
Yeah.
Wow,
Daytime.
beautiful.
Minty.
Minty.
We won't blow this one.
No,
Driver's side. No. The middle is the driver's side. What are you doing?
exactly. You know that? Even Johnny knew that.
I mean, I can drive from the passenger seat of the car.
Just in case y'all didn't know, when it comes to a McLaren, The middle is the driver's side.
That's right.
Because America.
And because race car.
Exactly. Race car.
Yeah. So this is number 1 of 1 made in the Canada.
Pretty much. You know, K-Town.
Mother. K-Town mother. I'm from K-Town mother.
That sounded good.
I did. Sounded good. All right. So, in all reality,
In all reality, we have flashing light. Wow, not even bright.
not even. Jeez.
Meant to
Can't
be.
believe how not even bright that is.
We'll be back after these messages.